buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you what you can do if your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro doesn't charge anymore. First of all, thank you to MySweep for providing us with this phone today. First thing we can do is to check our current cable with another device. So if this cable isn't working with this device, try it with another device to see if your cable might be broken, because if the other device doesn't charge as well, then your cable, well, might be broken. So go ahead and try out your cables to make sure it's not about your phone. Next thing you can do is you can restart your phone. For that, we need to press and hold the power on button, and then this speaking assistant.
What can I help you with?
Nothing, thank you. And we want to say reboot, so we'll restart our phone. So now we need to enter our SIM pin, and then we are back in our phone. So hopefully your phone is charging now. If that still doesn't work, look for a software update. For that, you need to go to your settings, go to about phone, and then go to your software here. It's checking, we have no updates available. If you have an update available, go ahead and install that. That might fix some bugs in the background. Next thing you want to do is you want to force a reboot, and that's while pressing the power on button beyond this point, until it shuts down, and then it starts again. Now we have to put in our SIM pin again and go ahead and unlock our phone. One last thing you can do is you can try to clean this outlet here, then also the part of the cable, so this part right here, because if it's dirty that might hinder your phone from charging. So that's what you can do. If all of this still doesn't, well, help your phone charging, then you might have a hardware problem and you should go get that fixed. Otherwise, I hope it helped. Hope you liked it. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.